In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively organize your life using Evernote. Whether you're using it on your desktop, web, or mobile device, Evernote is a versatile tool for managing notes and boosting your productivity. Let's dive into the first essential step. To start with, let's create a new note. If you're using the desktop, web, or Mac OS version of Evernote, look for the green plus note button in the top left sidebar. Clicking this button allows you to instantly start jotting down your thoughts, ideas, or tasks. It's as simple as that. This is your blank canvas where you can capture anything from meeting notes to your grocery list. Once you've started creating your notes, it's important to keep them organized. This is where notebooks come in. Think of notebooks as digital binders for your notes, each with various categories, like work or personal. To create a new notebook, head over to the sidebar, click on Notebooks, and then select New Notebook. By compartmentalizing your notes into specific notebooks, you can easily access and manage your information without feeling overwhelmed. For those who use the desktop platform, there's a neat function called Stacks. This feature helps you keep your notebooks even more organized by grouping related notebooks together. Imagine you're working on a big project that contains multiple aspects or subjects. Instead of having separate notebooks scattered, you can drag one notebook onto another to create a stack. This simple action ties related notebooks into a cohesive group, making your workspace more structured. Tags are another powerful tool within Evernote's arsenal. Tags allow you to add context to your notes and make them much easier to find. After you've created a note, scan beneath it and tick off a few relevant keywords. For instance, if you attended a meeting about a marketing campaign, you might use tags like meeting, marketing, or campaign. These tags are invaluable for quickly retrieving notes you might need later. Finally, let's talk about shortcuts, a great feature for accessing your most used notes and notebooks swiftly. To create a shortcut, click on the three-dot menu on a note and select Add Shortcut. This action pins your chosen note to the sidebar, providing you with immediate access to it whenever you open Evernote. Whether it's an important project or a frequently updated to-do list, you'll have it just a click away. By mastering these features, you can transform Evernote into your digital command center, streamlining your workflow and keeping your notes perfectly organized. As you get more comfortable using these tools, you'll find that Evernote can adapt to a variety of organizations and management styles, truly becoming an essential part of your daily routine. So, start experimenting with these tips today and watch your productivity soar.